Welcome to the next session of sets. We are in the process of discussing Venn diagram. Union and intersection concept is over. Let us go to difference of sets. Difference of sets. Let A and B be two sets. The difference of A and B. The difference of A and B is denoted by or is written as A minus B is written as A minus B is the set of all those elements of A which does not belong to B. Which does not belong to B. Let us see first one as a numerical example. I have a set having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So A minus B is also a set which contains the elements of A which contains the elements in A but not in B. So 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. These are in both. So exclude those elements from A. Then you take 1, 2. Similarly, this is you can define B minus A. B minus A means elements which are in B and which are not in A. So only 6 and 7. 6 and 7. So B minus A is also a set which contains the elements of B or which contains the elements which are in B only but not in A. Let us see. This is set A. This is set B. This is A minus B. A intersection B. So A minus B means this part only I have to consider shaded portion. This is A minus B. Elements which are in A but not in B. If I take B minus A is this one, A intersection B. So B minus A means this part. B minus A means this part. A minus B. Next, symmetric difference of sets A and B. Symmetric difference of sets. Let A and B be two sets. The symmetric difference is written as A minus B union B minus A. Symmetric difference means A minus B union B minus A. So look at this. And is denoted as A symmetric difference B with the delta or triangle. So look at this, A minus B union B minus A. It is also a set, sir. A minus B means 1, 2. B minus A means 6, 7. A minus B means 1, 2. B minus A means 6, 7. This is the symmetric difference of two sets. So the Venn diagram for this is this is A minus B shaded portion. This is A intersection B completely ignored, and it is B minus. Only this part you are considering. A minus B, B minus. This part as well as this part. So which part I am completely ignoring? The elements which are common for A and B I am ignoring. So it contains the elements of A minus B or elements of B minus. Next. Complement of a set. Complement of a set. Let mu be the universal set. Mu be the universal set, and let A be a set such that A is a proper subset of universal set, then the complement of A denoted by A dash or A power C, complement of set. Or you can write universal set minus A. Mu minus A means you are including only those elements of mu which are not in A but in mu. Mu minus A, difference of these two sets. And is defined as a set of all those elements of mu which are not in A, which are not in A. Let us see. This is A, this is A complement mu. A complement means this part. This part is A complement, shaded portion. So from universal set, what you are doing? Excluding the elements of A to get A complement. Okay. So mu complement is equal to empty set. Second one is empty set complement is mu. Third one is A complement, whole complement is A. A union A complement is equal to universal set. A intersection A complement is empty set. These are the 5 results which you need for solving the questions. Okay. Let us consider one diagram with 3 sets. One diagram for three sets. This is set A, this is set B, and it is set C. This is A minus B minus C. This is B minus A minus C. A intersection B complement intersection C complement. B intersection A complement intersection C complement. It is C minus A minus B. C intersection A complement intersection B complement. So this is B intersection C minus A intersection C minus B, A intersection B minus C. This part is A intersection B intersection C. How can I get A intersection B minus C? This is A intersection B intersection C complement. This part you want to get this part, this one. A intersection B minus C. This is A intersection B. This whole part is A intersection B minus A intersection B intersection C. From this A intersection B part, if I subtract this one, I'll get this part A intersection B minus C. So we have so many number of numerical problems based on three Venn diagrams. So that time I'll tell you with the help of number of elements how to calculate this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 parts are there. How to find out the values from the given information. Okay. This is a Venn diagram for three sets. Let us go for some numerical questions based on two sets from our material. Let's go to additional question bank. Additional question bank. Question number 24. A is a set having elements A, B, C, D, E, F. B is a set having elements A, E, I, O, U. C is a set having elements then first question, A union B is equal to union of this. A union B means it is a set having the elements of A, having the elements of set A or the elements of set B or both. So A, the repetition has no meaning. C, D, E, F. A and E are common. Exclude those because already one time you have written. Double counting is not required. I, O, U. Okay. Again I am repeating. A union B means it is a set having the elements of A or B or both. So at the time of you are writing the elements of A union B, whenever double counting is there, that element which is repeated, you can write only one time, including only one time. Look at the same question 25. A union C, elements of A or elements of C are both. A, B, C, D, E, F, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Question number 26. It is B union C. Elements of B or elements of C are both. Once again, double counting means any number which is repeated, it is included one time only. A, E, I, O, U. Then M, N, O is already included. P, Q, R, S, T. U already included. B union C. Now look at the 27th question. A minus B. A minus B. Elements which are in A but not in B. So A is common. Ignore this. B, C, D, F. A common, E common. These two are ignored. Ignored in the sense you are not allowed to consider these two. Elements of set A or A minus B is a set which contains the elements of A but not B. Again I am repeating this point. A minus B is a set which contains the elements of A but not B. So only elements of A. 28. Question number 28. A intersection B. A intersection B is also a set which contains the elements of A and B, common elements. A and B common elements means A comma E. A comma E. Next sir, B intersection C, 29th question. B intersection C, elements which are in B as well as in C. Which are in B and C. Which are in B and C means O, comma U. O, comma U. Next, question number 30. Question number 30. A union B minus C. A union B minus C. So first we need B minus C. B minus C means elements which are in B and not in C. Elements which are in B and not in C. Which elements are common? O and E are common here. O and E are common. U also common. Sorry. O and U are common. O and U are eliminated. Now which elements left over in B? A comma E comma I. A comma E comma I. These are the three elements which are left over. Now set A. A is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F. Now union of these two. A union B minus C. It is also a set which contains the elements of A or elements of B minus C or both. So A, B, C, D, E, F, I. A, B, C, D, E, F, I. A and E are common for both. So one time only it is written. So this way you have to take up this question. Next, question number 31. Already 30 over 31. A union B union C with respect to question number 24. With respect to question number 24. Elements which are in A or B or C or both. A, B, C, D, E, F. A, E already included. So I, O, U. Then it is M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. Next, question number 32. A intersection B intersection C. A intersection B intersection C. Elements are common for these three. A it is having, but set C does not have. Element E, it is in A. Element B, it is in B. Element E, it does not have in C. So A intersection B intersection C is an empty set. There is no element which is common set. Empty set. Okay. Let us see question number 32. A is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. B is equal to 3, 7, 9, 5. C is equal to 8, 6. 6, 8, 10, 12, 7. Universal set is equal to 3, 4, 5, etc. 11, 12, 13. Now what is required here? A complement is equal to mu minus A. A complement is required, mu minus A. Elements which are in universal set but not in A. So 3, 4, 5, 6 you exclude. Then it is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. A complement means mu minus A. Elements which are in universal set but not in set A. 33. What is your question number 33? This is 33 in fact. This is 34. B complement is required in 34. Universal set minus B. B complement is equal to universal set minus B. It means elements which are in universal set but not in set B. So 3 cancel. Three cancel, 7 cancel, 9 cancel, 5 cancel. So universal set is having how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements. 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12. Now question number 35, C complement. So universal set minus C. I have to exclude 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12. So this is 3, 4, 5, 6 I have to exclude, 7 also, 8 also. So it is having 9, 10 also you have to leave 11. 3, 4, 5, 9, 11. Elements which are in universal set but not in C. Now question number 36. A complement, whole complement. This is nothing but set A, sir. A complement, whole complement is nothing but set A. 37. B complement, whole complement, this is set B. C complement, whole complement is set C. Next, 39. This is 38. A union B complement. A union B complement. Let us discuss De Morgan's laws here. De Morgan's laws. A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. In the same manner, A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. These two results are known as De Morgan's laws. If I use this, it is A complement intersection B complement. A complement is this, B complement is this. Common elements. 8 is the common element. Then 10 is the common element. 11 is the common element. 12 is the common element. 39. A intersection B complement. It is A complement union B complement. Elements of A complement or elements of B complement are both A complement, B complement. Starting with 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Look at the question number 40. A complement union C complement. A complement union C complement. A complement is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. C complement 3, 4, 5, 9, 11. So this is a set 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11. 3, 4, 5. Next. Now look at this question number 41. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. 9. B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. C is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. D is equal to 3, 4, 5. E is equal to 3, 5. What is set S? What is set S? If it is also given that S is a proper subset of D and S is not a proper subset of D. Let us take the help of options 3, 5. Option B 2, 4. Option C 7, 9. Option D none. Now first let's understand the question. I want a set S. What is that set? It is a proper subset of D. Means elements of set S are in D and D is having at least one additional element which is not in S. One more condition given, sir. S is not a subset of D. Means elements of S should not be in B. These are the two conditions you have to select. You have to verify. Let me take the help of options. If S is equal to 3, 5, let us see whether it is verifying, it is satisfying the given conditions or not. What is the first condition? Elements of S are in D. 3, it is in D. 5, it is in D. And it is a proper subset. It means D is having one additional element which is not in S. So D is having 4 which is not in S. Therefore first condition is satisfied. Let's go to the second condition. Elements of S are not in B. Look at this 3, it is not in B. 5, it is not in B. So S is a proper subset of D and this S is not a proper subset of B. Next point. Let us verify option B. 2 does not have in set D. So option B is not my answer. If I go to option C, 7 is not an element of set D. 7 is not an element of set D. So option B, option C are the wrong answers. Option A is the answer. Now look at the 42nd. Information is same. Conditions are changed. S is a proper subset of D and S is, this is 42nd. S is a proper subset of B and S is not a proper subset of C. Options also same, sir. Option A 3, 5. Option B 2, 4. Option C 7, 9. Option D. Once again verify this condition. Elements of set S are in B. What is the first condition? Whatever may be the subset S is having as elements, they should be in B. That is the first condition. Second condition is what? Elements of set S are not in set C. 3, 5. 3 is not in set B. So option A is the wrong answer. Let us go to option B. 2 is an element of set B. 4 is also an element of set B. Again I am repeating. 2 is an element of set B. 4 is also an element of set B. And our second condition is what? These two are not in C. 2 2 is not in set C, 4 is not in set C. 2 is not in set C, 4 is not in set C. Therefore, option B is the answer. Therefore, S is equal to 2 comma 4. Therefore, S is equal to 2 comma 4. Next, look at the question number 43. Mu is a universal set with elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A is equal to a set having elements 1, 2, 3, 4. B is another set having elements 2, 4, 6, 8. Then A union B is equal to question mark. A union B. A union B means elements of set A or elements of set B or both. Again, double counting you have to avoid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. A union B. Now question number 44. Question number 44. A intersection B. A intersection B. A intersection B means elements which are in A and B. So there is only one element 2 which is in A and B and 4 also. So 2 comma 4. So there are two elements 2 comma 4 which are in A and which are in B. 45. A complement. Universal set minus A. So 1, 2, 3, 4 I have to exclude from universal set. It is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 46. A union B complement. It is A complement intersection B complement from De Morgan's laws. From De Morgan's laws. So first I want to B complement mu minus B. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. B complement is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So it is A complement intersection B complement. Common elements. 5 is the common element, 7 is the common element, 9 is the common element. A complement intersection B complement. Okay. This way, from the given sets you can calculate others. Okay, sir. Now let us move to the problems related to Venn diagrams. Before entering into the problems of Venn diagrams, let us see some results. number of elements in A union B is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. Look at the Venn diagram, sir. This is set A, this is set B, this is A intersection B. When you are counting the elements of set A intersection B is included one time. When you are considering the elements of set B, A intersection B again counted. It means A intersection B is double counted. So number of elements in A union B is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. When A and B are disjoint sets, when A and B are disjoint sets, A intersection B is equal to empty set. Number of elements in A intersection B is equal to 0. So number of elements in A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B. N of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B. You can also go for 3 A union B union C, 3 sets, n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B, n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. When A comma B comma C are disjoint sets, n of A intersection B is equal to 0, n of A intersection C is equal to 0, n of B intersection C is equal to 0, n of A intersection B intersection C equal to 0. So number of elements of A union B union C, n of A plus n of B plus n of C. Also see the set A, sir. This is A minus B and it is A intersection B. This is B minus A. So number of elements in set A, number of elements in set A is equal to number of elements in A minus B plus number of elements in A intersection B. So number of elements in A minus B is equal to number of elements in set A minus number of elements in A intersection B. Similarly, number of elements in set B, A intersection B plus number of elements of B minus A. Number of elements of B minus A is equal to number of elements of B minus number of elements of A intersection B. So number of elements of A minus B union B minus A for symmetric difference. For symmetric difference, add these two results. N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. N of A plus N of B minus 2 times N of A intersection B. So here it is elements of A only or B only, symmetric difference. Okay. So based on these results, let's move to practical questions. Question number 59, additional question bank. Additional question bank. If A has 32 elements, A has 32 elements, B has 42 elements, and A union B has 62 elements, find the number of elements in A intersection B. Number of elements of A only, that is in A minus B. Third one, number of elements of B only, that is B minus. Let us see the Venn diagram, sir. This is set A, this is set B, this is A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A. So for a Venn diagram of two sets, generally or frequently 3 questions they may ask. First one is elements which are common in A and B, elements which are in A only, elements which are in B only. Let us see the first one, number of elements of A union B. This is N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Therefore, N of A intersection B, N of A plus N of B minus N of A union B. N of A 32, N of B 42 minus 62. So this is 74 minus 62, 12 elements. N of A intersection B is equal to 12. N of A minus B is equal to N of A minus N of A intersection B. Elements which are in A only, second one. N of A is equal to 32 minus 12. So 20. Third one, N of B minus A means elements which are in B only. So this is N of B minus N of A intersection B. N of B is equal to 42 minus 12, this is 30. Okay. So that's all here, remaining in the next session. Thank you.